Happy New Year, kids! Are you ready to kickstart 2025 with some fun brain-boosting riddles? Get ready to think, laugh, and learn as we dive into some super cool challenges. Here's your first riddle. What has to be broken before you can use it? Think carefully. Did you get it? That's right. It's an egg. You have to crack it open to use it. Let's move on. Here's another riddle to warm up your brain. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Did you guess it? It's a candle. Let's light up the next riddle. Here's a tricky one. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? That's right, it's a piano. Great job if you got it. Next up, what can you catch but not throw? This one might make you giggle. You can catch a cold, but you can't throw it. Let's try one last riddle. Here's the final riddle. What goes up but never comes down? That's right, it's your age. You're all a year older in 2025. Great job, everyone. You solved some tricky riddles and kickstarted 2025 with fun and learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more brain-boosting challenges. See you next time.